I wanted to move to Hobart because it had this kind of a cutting-edge arts reputation. You have Mona and you have Dark Mofo and you have all these things that are really exciting in terms of performance and installation art, and I wanted to kind of be around that. And then the university seemed to have a really interesting fine arts course. Dark Mofo is such a unique opportunity to show your work to a lot of people, and I don't know why you wouldn't do it.
You've got this amazing audience walking past, which you just can't get anywhere else. You've got to come up with something which is going to work in front of 40,000 people. So it's just a fantastic opportunity.
My favourite thing about this entire experience is the way that we get to present the work. You're so unbelievably close. There always seems to be this distance in traditional theatre. So being able to do it so intimately is just magical.
You get all these people coming in from drama or from the conservatorium that you just never see. So this kind of overlap is really interesting. There's more ideas coming up as opposed to kind of working in your own little echo chamber. So I'm really enjoying that.
A lot of the practices that we've been learning in terms of focus and discipline and understanding how to interact with an audience and how to get them to think have been really helpful. It's just been an amazing learning experience, and also kind of be around so many other artists. A really cool opportunity, and it's really rare to be given that opportunity and have it count towards your degree.
It's excellent to come and actually also to be a part of it, to have that little extra bit on our resume.
It's just this amazing opportunity to really do what we all love to do.
It's part of the reason I moved to Tasmania, just that freedom, and I've been to festivals everywhere and I've never seen such a community spirit. Everybody's involved. It definitely inspires creativity. We've come to the right place.